Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix automatic repair loop in Windows 11. Startup repair couldn't repair your PC. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click repair your computer, click troubleshoot, click command prompt. Type clan. Find your Windows directory. CD Windows, CD System 32, CD config. Type MD backup. Type copy *** backup. Type cd space, regback. Type copy *** space, .. Type A. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.